Wait for me, Apple.
Got it! Look what we found, Tato. Today, we learned the letter A. A is for apple.
Hi, little friend.
And A is for ant.
Airplane! Look, Coco has an airplane.
That's right. A is for airplane.
A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for airplane. Let's dance and chant. A, A, A!